guys, welcome to my channel Beauty at Sparkle. Today I am going to share a simple makeup of how to get ready for a Valentine date. So without wasting time, let's get started. I am already done with the moisturizer and primer. Now moving forward to applying foundation on face, and for that I am mixing illuminator with foundation to get that glowy effect. Now applying compact all over my face. First of all, I will use concealer on eyelids and under eye areas. Setting with translucent powder on my eye areas and applying more translucent powder on my under eye areas with sponge before starting eye makeup. First of all, I will fill eyebrows with this deep brown shade. I will start with the eye makeup now. I will apply light shades to get the natural effect. On the lower eyelids, I am applying brown eyeshadow. I am done with the eye makeup. Now I will be applying false lashes and will be back within a few minutes. Now starting with the contour part, I will contour my features with the help of this stick. Now applying liquid blusher on both sides of the stick. I am done with the blusher, and now I will highlight my cheekbone with the help of a highlighter. I will apply liquid lipstick on my lips now. After applying liquid lipstick on my lips, now it's time to fix my makeup with a fixing spray. Everything is done. Now I will show you the final look. So here is the final look. You can try this makeup look not only on Valentine's Day but also at all occasions. forget to share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the next upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.